everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with a biology chapter, the cell. Discovery of cell. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke was the first biologist who discovered cell in the year 1665. How did he notice? Robert Hooke observed a piece of a cork under a compound microscope and noticed structures that are like little rooms. So he named these little rooms as cells. The picture in the right hand side shows a little room-like structure is the cell. In it, a black spot-like structure is the nucleus. Now we come to cell. What is cell? A cell is the structural, fundamental and the basic building blocks of all living things. All the human beings, plants, animal, made up of cell. Now we come to the structure of cell. Cells are often called the building blocks of life. The study of cell is called cytology. Cell consists of cytoplasm enclosed within a membrane which contain many biomolecules such as protein and nucleic acid. Organism can be classified as unicellular, consisting of a single cell such as bacteria, or multicellular, consist of many cells including plants and animal cells. Most unicellular organisms are classed as microorganisms. Now we come to component of cell. The cell has special components called organelles. The most important organelles are plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. The picture in the right hand side shows the picture of a cell in which the outer layer is the plasma membrane, in the middle is the nucleus, and the liquid surrounding the nucleus is the cytoplasm. Now we come to characteristics of cells. Cells provide structure and support to the body of all organisms. The nucleus holds genetic information and required for reproduction and cell growth. Every cell has one nucleus and membrane-bound organelles in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria, a double membrane-bound organelle, is mainly responsible for the energy transaction. Lysosomes digest unwanted material in the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum plays a significant role in the internal organization. Now we come to the diagram. Here we can see the organelles of cell. The outer layer is the cell membrane, and in the middle of it is nucleus. After that, lysosome. The yellow liquid-like structure surrounding the nucleus is the cytoplasm. Nearer to that, vacuoles, and then it comes mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. Here we come to the type of cells. Based on cellular structure, there are two types of cells. Number one, prokaryotic cell, which pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. In the picture, prokaryotic cell, we can see cell membrane and cytoplasm. Of course, prokaryotic cell does not have nucleus. Number two, eukaryotic cell. Eu means typical, karyon means nucleus. In the picture of eukaryotic cell, we can see cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and organelles. Eukaryotic cell has well organized nucleus. Thank you. Here we end part 1 of the chapter.